Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to upload PDF to Google Gemini AI. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Gemini AI. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed in front of you. Simply access the first website and make sure to sign into your Google account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, open a new tab and search for drive.google.com. Make sure to sign into the same account and then upload the PDF by using this upload feature. Once uploaded, go back to the Gemini website, type in @ and a bunch of options will pop up. Inside this menu, click on Google Drive and then type in summarize this PDF for me in my drive, and then the name of the PDF. After that, press the enter key and wait for it to reply. You can see that it has successfully summarized the PDF I uploaded. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.